Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make any songs as your ringtone at your iPhones and as well as iPads. So let's get started. Firstly, open your App Store. In the search bar type here GarageBand. Just install this application at your ISO devices. After installing this application, just go back, open this application. Now select this option. Just tap at this option. For importing your songs from files, just tap at this option. Now tap at Files. Now browse your song which you want to make as a ringtone. Now tap at this option for saving your ringtone. Now long press at this ringtone. Now tap at Share option. Appears on screen. You can see a middle option as a ringtone. Just tap on it. Now give the name of your ringtone. Tap at Export. Appears on screen. You can see exporting as a ringtone. Appears on screen. You can see ringtone export successfully. Just tap at OK. Now go back. Open your settings. Now tap at sounds and haptics. Now tap at ringtone. As appears on screen, you can see at the top my ringtone. Just select your ringtone. Like this, you can easily make your song as a ringtone at your ISO devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.